Every professional match-grade football begins with natural rubber latex, harvested directly from rubber trees.
The latex is filtered and sealed to preserve elasticity during transport.
Approved latex is transported to processing facilities under controlled conditions. Industrial filtration ensures consistent bladder performance.
Latex is transformed into precision rubber sheets.
Controlled drying stabilizes rubber elasticity. The resin becomes the outer skin of the football. Microfiber adds strength and shape retention.
Heat bonding creates durable football panels. Raw materials are now ready for football production. The journey continues as raw materials arrive at the football manufacturing factory.
Each material is handled carefully to maintain production quality.
Only flawless surfaces are approved for professional football panels.
Panel thickness directly affects ball control and durability. Elastic recovery ensures responsive ball performance. Tensile testing guarantees panel durability under match conditions.
Approved materials move forward into production. Every football can be traced back to its raw materials.
Materials now enter the heart of football manufacturing. The football's performance begins with a perfectly shaped bladder.
Exact dimensions are critical for match-grade air retention.
Precise alignment ensures perfect roundness. Heat transforms flat rubber into a seamless sphere.
Every bladder is tested for absolute airtightness.
Exact bladder weight ensures balanced play.
Nylon winding stabilizes bladder shape. Perfect tension creates a true flight path.
Bladder approved.
The football's outer shell begins with precision panel cutting.
The classic 32-panel design ensures stable flight.
Rejected material is recycled back into production. Brand identity is applied with precision.
Multiple layers create a professional match appearance.
Color approved.
Lamination strengthens every panel. The football shell is ready for assembly.
The bladder is now paired with the outer panels to begin the football's iconic structure. Hand craftsmanship ensures durable seams for match-grade balls.
Seams sealed to ensure air retention and durability. Seam sealing protects the ball from water absorption during play. Spherical molding ensures the ball rolls true on the field. Accurate inflation ensures optimal bounce and feel.
Exact weight ensures consistent ball flight. Bounce tests confirm energy retention for professional play.
Pressure retention tests ensure no air leakage during matches.
Water resistance is verified to maintain ball performance in wet conditions.
only footballs meeting strict FIFA standards continue to packaging.
Every seam is visually verified for durability and FIFA standards compliance.
The football is now ready to enter the packaging phase.
Each football is carefully packed to maintain shape during transport.
Balls are carefully positioned in cartons to prevent damage.
Pallets are stacked uniformly for safe storage and transport.
Finished footballs are transported to warehouse storage for inventory management.
High racks maximize storage efficiency while keeping footballs safe.
Digital scanning ensures real-time inventory tracking for every football batch.
Orders are matched precisely with available stock to ensure timely dispatch.
Proper loading prevents damage during international shipping. Sealed containers are ready for export, ensuring security of footballs.
Export trucks transport footballs from factory to distributors worldwide. Distributor warehouses receive footballs for regional distribution.
Football presentation ensures maximum appeal to customers.
Customers experience the professional quality of match-grade footballs firsthand.
Professional match-grade footballs delivered seamlessly from factory to player.
Since June. From factory to field, match-grade footballs maintain their premium quality.
The journey of the football culminates in the world's biggest stadiums.